When there's chaos in the crypto markets, opportunity arises. You've got to be greedy when others are fearful. And my lovely friends out there, we are in that particular phase where we can see we're back at extreme fear in the crypto markets. We do have the retail mind right now feeling very fearful. However, if you did buy into Bitcoin a good 2 years ago, in those bear market times, in those bearish times, you are still up over 2.5x on your particular investment. So I still think we're in a great place. We're having that pullback. We need that 30-40% correction, and that's what we're seeing in the market. So again, it's another time for me to kind of go shopping, have a look at some tokens. We're starting to consolidate. Are we going to get that bullish U-turn through to September and October? Well, we could still go down first, but I still think if you were bullish, I can click on so many coins here. I could click on many different tokens, maybe even things, just an example like stacks. If I looked at the price before, back in April, you can see this thing was $3.60 once, and right now it's just $1.42. I do believe that we're going to have a further expansion to the bull market later on and through to early 2025. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, please do subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals. And let's talk about 6 coins in the crypto markets I'm very, very bullish on. I'm buying up as much as I can. I recently bought some Ethereum, and with that in mind, Ethereum is actually coin number 1 on this particular list. So coin number 1, Ethereum. When I saw Ethereum recently drop down to like $2,100, it came down really, really nicely, and I had to buy some. I bought like 12 Ethereum around this 2.1k mark, so looking already quite good over the week with that 500 ish dollar profit on each Ethereum that's already been purchased. So a good 5 to 6 bag claim over the last few weeks, and it's just capitalizing on that fear and just recognizing really that Ethereum has been trading at highs of $4,000 and even 3.8k over the last kind of few weeks and months. So yeah, to see it hit 2.2k was very, very much a nice entry to sort of reflect at prices that we saw in December of last year, January of this year. I thought, well, this makes sense to buy in now. This is a good potential discounted rate for Ethereum. So grab some ETH, and I still think ETH is looking really nice. When you look at the market cap for ETH, we need to get back to sort of 550 billion plus, and we've not yet put through an all-time high for Ethereum. I think it's pending. That is going to happen. I really believe it will happen. We could even see Ethereum hit $1 trillion in market valuation this coming cycle. So all of you should know what Ethereum is by now, with Vitalik Buterin as the, of course, the developer there. And just looking at Ethereum, like I say, breaking away from this channel when it lost its support of 2.8k and literally crashed down to this 2.1k region where, really that was a massive, massive area of consolidation back in November, December of 2023 and January earlier this year. To see that slight correction and dip into this window was a huge buying opportunity. Of course, you can't catch a falling knife. It could come back down lower, but I do think we will see Ethereum blast through 4.8k later on this year, maybe early 2025. I think it's definitely poised to do some good things out there in the market. So yeah, for sure, Ethereum is going to be coin number 1 here. It's got to be a good one. Now, coin number 2 is one of the hottest narratives in the crypto space right now. Day 50. It's a top G 1,500 token. It's a dude from England who is basically walking to Romania to meet Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate. So in 24 hours, we've got some massive news coming. But when he meets Andrew and Tristan Tate, this could send this coin absolutely flying to the moon. So here is the token, T1500. It's a Solana meme coin. The reason I think this is worth buying is because the story is so powerful. It's very true. It's holding very well at a low market cap of $1.67 million with a TVL of $140,000 worth of liquidity. So yeah, it's holding well. It's crashed through I say crash, it's about down 40% from its previous all-time high, or 32%. So it could be a good dollar cost average region. A nice correction here on a coin that is very, very hot. Like I say, every time it comes down in price and corrects, it just gets bought back up. The buying pressure is immense for this token. It's fully doxed, fully KYC'd as well. And overall, this is the story. Andrew Tate also has a reserve wallet just for him. But I think overall the story itself is powerful. His Instagram is absolutely huge as well. It's climbing up to 60,000 followers. So he is becoming more and more viral. And if he does become super viral as well on Instagram, this is going to help, of course, get those new wallets in. Big, big things happening soon for this coin, and potentially massive marketing from some huge players out there in the crypto markets, which could really ignite this token and make it do a 2 to 100x from current levels. So stay in the know. Check out the links down below if you want to look at top G 1500 token. Also, guys, if you are looking to enhance your crypto portfolio, do consider checking out my VIP signals if you want to achieve time, financial, and location freedom to make money from your phone or from your laptop or wherever you are in the world. If you want to get some hot, juicy trading signals like the ones that you can see on screen right here, check out the Patreon down below. Step 1, become a patron. Step 2, connect your Discord. Then you're going to get all those VIP benefits from the Patreon unlocked within the Discord. And as you can see, there's quite a long list of those. So only 3 slots remaining. Quickly secure your place down below. Coin number 3 in this video will be Mantra OM, $0.97. At the moment, Mantra had a wild ride from 0.019 up to $0.97. You can see the market cap was sitting at a very low sort of $15 million and did climb up to $1 billion. Since then, we've corrected down to $800 million. Market accessibility is really strong. Binance, OKX, lots of tier 2 exchanges as well on top of that. If you do want to grab some of this coin, I've got the MEXC and KSEX link down below for you to do so. But to see Mantra, of course, correct from around $1.40 down to 0.96 is a 40% correction, and I think could be a healthy buyback in opportunity. Mantra, of course, covers and carries heavy utility and fundamentals, bringing the world's financial ecosystem on chain. Mantra is a security-first, real-world assets layer 1 blockchain capable of adherence to real-world regulatory requirements. So big stuff here, tons of TVL, awesome ecosystem, a lot to look at on this chain. Could be worth looking at and taking a follow on this year, carrying through to the end of the bull run to hopefully pump your bags. 269k followers over here, and it is a really, really big project that networks super strong. They're always putting their face out there, and that sort of stuff is important. Coin number 4, similar aspect in terms of its overall fundamentals, the superchain be Optimism OP. And you can see, looking at OP, Optimism had a $5 billion market capital back in sort of March of 2024. So that is absolutely fabulous to see this correction. You've got a 50 to 60% overall discount here for OP. Could it be worthwhile? Maybe it could be. Optimism Collective, you can see it says build a world that benefits all, owned by none. And effectively, this is a super chain. The super chain ecosystem is growing. You can see how you've got Base, Fractal, Mode, OP mainnet, Redstone, Zora. So this is one big super chain, and it does carry massive fundamentals. Like I say, what actually is Optimism? It's a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. If you're bullish on Ethereum, you should be bullish on OP. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic roll-ups. It helps scale ETH, similar to things like Polygon and Matic. And I am bullish on ecosystems that do support overall the Ethereum sort of narrative and ecosystem. Very bullish on this one. Check it out. Down below if you want to buy some OP, I've got a link for it. I think it could do well. Now, coin number 5 will be Solana. Solana the giant, I just don't see it fading out anytime soon. And over this last year from its highs, it's been sort of swinging between $200 and like $120. So an $80 range. We're seeing $146 at the moment with a massive $68 billion market cap. The all-time high market cap for Sol was $90 billion. But it does look like straight up consolidation here, maybe even a giant bull flag. I think we could see Solana bust through $100 billion at some point in this particular bull run. Could do very well. Of course, everyone knows what Solana is by now. The TVL is huge. The amount of dApps being built on Solana, whether it be utility, meme coin, DEX, or whatever, it's just always going up, and the network is growing. It's super scalable, fast, decentralized. You know what Solana is already, guys. It powers the Phantom wallet. It is a huge coin and a huge narrative. And yeah, insane performance of Solana from the bottom over here. If you bought Solana in the bear market, you would be up probably around 20x from the top, which is absolutely insane to see. Solana, 2.7 million followers, perhaps even more potential ROI than Ethereum, this particular one here, for the actual bull market. It's got a lower market cap, therefore it can, make those 5x's more realistically. Coin number 6 is going to be Pepe Unchained. This is relevant because it will be launching soon. It's a big Pepe alternative. It's now got its own blockchain. It's a layer 2 with its own dedicated block explorer. You can see here high volume capacity, 100 times faster than Ethereum. 235% per annum rewards on the staking. They've raised $8.28 million, and they'll very soon be going up in price to the next stage. You can see one Pepe was $0.009017 $8. very bullish on this ecosystem, ladies and gents. What do you think about this one? It's a meme coin, high risk, high reward stuff, so never risk, morning and fall to lose. Do you remember this is not financial advice? But you can see Pepe Unchained is the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course memes. So memes with big narrative this year, bigger than ever. Memes have been more popular this year than any other year in the existence of crypto. You've got 8 billion total tokens here, with pre-sale getting 20% being sold in. And yeah, it says, are you ready to connect to the first meme coin layer 2? It's coming soon. So stay on the know. 10.3k followers, growing more and more and more. If you want to check it out, big celebration of 8 million raised, you can have a look at Pepe Unchained down below. I will drop a link for you guys to research thoroughly this token. And here you can see their staking dashboard as well. Currently, 681 million tokens are locked in for Pepe, and you get 608 tokens here in reward for Pepe Unchained coins every Ethereum block. Overall, on the week, crypto is looking good. On the month, it's still pretty red and looking rather dire. On the day, pretty mixed as well. But I think we are going to see more pumps eventually. And we just got to remember that August, September aren't the best of months for cryptocurrency, but could be good to dollar cost average into, buy tokens and hold for the long run. So to summarize this video, we had coin number 1 as the OG Ethereum right here. Coin number 2 as top G, 1,500. I will drop a link down below if you're kind of keen to grab some of these. I think every meme coin out there should at least have a small bag of this token right now because of its huge potential and narrative. Coin number 3 is, of course, Mantra OM, massive utility and fundamentals. Coin number 4, the superchain Optimism. Coin number 5, Solana, everyone's favorite. And coin number 6, Pepe Unchained. If you are looking for signals and more, please check out my Patreon down below as well, ladies and gents. This will help you trade with confidence and grow your crypto portfolio. See you soon. Bye for now. Peace.